Hello, YouTube! Welcome to Tripify, your go-to spot for travel inspiration and tips from around the world. In this video, I'll take you to one of the most peaceful and beautiful destinations in the Netherlands, Giethoorn. Known as the Venice of the North, this charming village is famous for its serene canals, car-free streets, and tranquil atmosphere. Whether you're paddling a boat through its waterways or just strolling through its picturesque lanes, Giethoorn offers a unique experience you won't want to miss. Let's dive into everything you need to know before visiting this hidden gem. Giethoorn is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit is during spring and summer, April to October, when the weather is mild and the village comes alive with greenery and flowers. If you prefer a more magical, wintry vibe, visiting from December to February allows you to experience the beauty of Giethoorn covered in snow. Just be sure to pack some warm clothes. Giethoorn is easily accessible from Amsterdam, about 1.5 hours by car. If you're coming by public transport, take a train to Steenwijk Station and then a short bus or taxi ride to the village. Giethoorn is car-free, so once you arrive, get ready to explore on foot, by bike, or by boat. Besides the scenic canals, don't miss Museum Giethoorn at Oldemat Oos, which gives you a peek into the village's history and culture. The Weerribben National Park is a nearby natural haven, perfect for a day of outdoor exploration. If you're into photography, Giethoorn's charming thatched roof houses and wooden bridges make for incredible photo opportunities, so be sure to have your camera ready. The culture in Giethoorn revolves around the canals and nature. The village has a calm, relaxed vibe, and its residents lead peaceful lives, with most relying on boats and bicycles for transport. The absence of cars makes for a serene atmosphere, where the sound of birds and the gentle flow of water is all you hear. The locals are warm and welcoming, making it a great place to experience authentic Dutch hospitality. Since Giethoorn is in the Netherlands, the local currency is the euro. The village isn't overly expensive, but it's not a budget destination either. Renting a boat for an hour costs around 20 euros to 30 euros. For accommodations, you can find guest houses or hotels starting at about 80 euros per night, depending on the season. Dining out in the village will typically cost you between 10 euros to 20 euros per meal. The weather in Giethoorn can be unpredictable, with mild summers and cold winters. In the summer, you'll experience temperatures between 15 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for outdoor activities like boating and cycling. Winters can be chilly, with temperatures often falling below 0 degrees Celsius, but this only adds to the village's charm, especially if you visit during the snow-covered months. Giethoorn is all about peaceful exploration. Since it's a car-free village, your options for getting around include walking, cycling, or boating. You can rent a boat and cruise along the picturesque canals at your own pace, or opt for a guided boat tour to learn more about the history and beauty of the village. Renting a bike is also a great way to explore the surrounding countryside. Giethoorn has plenty of cozy cafes and restaurants offering traditional Dutch fare. Try some pannenkoeken, Dutch pancakes, stamppot, mashed potatoes with vegetables, or a slice of delicious Dutch apple pie for dessert. Meals typically cost around 10 euros to 20 euros, depending on where you dine, and there are plenty of options to suit different tastes. Giethoorn is a tranquil escape where time seems to slow down. Whether you're drifting down the canals, biking through the fields, or simply enjoying the village's peaceful atmosphere, it's a destination that will leave you feeling refreshed. If you're ready to experience the charm of this car-free, water-filled paradise, make sure to add Giethoorn to your travel list. And don't forget to subscribe to Tripify for more travel guides and tips on amazing destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next adventure.